Just know this truth with me. There is but one God, one mind, one power. And that power is divine intelligence, it's perfect love. And that intelligence and love is flowing through me, with me, and for me. So here today, I know I have the power of goodness, the power of intelligence, and the power of compassion flowing through me, opening a way for me. Here today, I walk out in my life with courage and conviction, knowing that good and only good is returning to me. Here today, I can celebrate my soul and my life, knowing that God is with me, lifting my eyes to a better knowing for myself. I know that there is nothing I need to fear, that I have the power and goodness and glory of God with me, and my life is a wonderful, joyous jubilee. This is my truth. I celebrate this right now, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to us multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, know this truth with me. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. This is Reverend Ken. Until we see each other again, many blessings. Okay, my dear friends, I need a favor from you today. And it's not anything that's going to cost you money, and it's really very simple and easy to do. And it might be the blessing that someone is looking for. I just need you to like, to comment, or to share this video. And it's so simple. All you have to do in the comment section is just thank you. It really helps us with the algorithms of the YouTube. It means we get seen by a lot more people. So post a comment. If you have a prayer request or a question, you can post that as well. I'll be sure to answer them. It will help us, and it will help the world out greatly. Thank you. You are a blessing to us and to the world. And until we see each other again, God bless us all.